Hi there, students. To brandish, a verb. I guess you could use it as a noun as well, but it's less common. To brandish, to wave or swing a weapon in a threatening manner, in an angry way, in a defiant way. He was attacked by a man brandishing a knife. Yeah? He was waving a knife and threatening people with it. A soldier brandishing an AK-47 charged into the room. He brandished a burning stick to keep the wolves at bay. To wave, to display, to wield. Yeah? So you normally brandish a weapon, yeah? Brandishing a knife, brandishing a sword. But you can use brandish other things. There was a policeman at my door brandishing a court order. The negotiator emerged from the meeting brandishing an agreement, showing it to everybody, to wave, to shake, to display, in a showing way, to swing, to swish. Okay, to wave something, especially a weapon, in a threatening way. So you can use it meaning to exhibit aggressively. But you can also use it to mean to exhibit in an ostentatious and showy manner. He was always brandishing the superiority of everything made in his country. She made them feel small by brandishing her intellect. The preacher brandished a Bible and threatened hellfire and damnation for those who did not obey him. So to brandish, to show, to shake aggressively for all to see. So notice, to brandish is a regular verb. He brandished a sword. He has brandished a sword on many occasions. And then formality, I give it probably 6.5 in formality. It sounds a bit artistic, but let's see, good for an essay, it sounds poetic, good for a formal document. I think informally, to wave about, to threaten with. And then as to origin, well, there's an old French word, brandish, which I think probably comes from brandisser. And originally this has a Germanic origin related to the verb to brand, to burn a mark in an animal or something to show that it's yours. Okay, so brandishing a weapon, waving it around in a threatening manner. Or brandishing her pearls, waving about for everybody to see in a showy or ostentatious way. Okay, so to brandish, an easy verb. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To brandish.